Hello students, good morning. Welcome to today's online class. In yesterday class, we discussed about problems of exercise 5.1. In today's class, we will discuss about remaining problems of exercise 5.1. That is, in last class we discussed find the value of k problems. Same problems only I have to discuss. That is, find the value of k. Find the value of k. F of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to pi, cos x if x greater than pi, is continuous at x is equal to pi. This type of problems, value of k problems, they will ask compulsorily one problem in board exam. So they only given f is continuous at x is equal to pi. No need to check f is continuous or discontinuous. They only given f is continuous at x is equal to pi. That is, f is continuous at x is equal to pi. So that means f is continuous means what? LHL equals to RHL equals to limit x tends to pi f of x. LHL means limit x tends to pi minus f of x, limit x tends to pi plus f of x equals to limit x tends to pi f of x. Writing these two steps, you will get 1 mark, and substitute the function, so you will get another 1 mark. Substitute the limits, you will get 3 marks. Finally, you have to find k value, you will get 4 marks. This type of problems, they will ask 4 mark questions. That is, limit x tends to pi minus, less than pi is there, no, this is LHL. Greater than pi is there, no, this is RHL. That is, kx plus 1 equals to limit x tends to pi plus, what is greater than? Cos x equals to limit x tends to pi equals pi is what? Kx plus 1. Just substitute the limits. K x value is pi k plus 1 equals to cos pi is equal to k pi plus 1. So any one values equate the values, that is k pi plus 1 equals to cos pi. K pi plus 1 equals to cos pi is what? Minus 1. That is, k pi equals to minus 1 as it is. This plus 1 shift to RHS means minus 1. K pi equals to minus 1 minus 2. K is equal to minus 2 by 5. This is your answer. Okay. See children, writing these two steps, you will get 1 mark. Writing these two steps, you will get 1 mark. So these 4 steps are compulsory for all problems. Just write LHL, RHL, f of x, and substitute the function. Okay, and substitute the limit. Okay, this is the procedure. So these 4 steps are same procedure for all problems. Writing these 2 steps is, you will get 1 mark. These 2 steps are 1 mark, and these 2 steps are 1 mark. For answer, 1 mark. For not only this question, for all questions you have to write the answer. So within the bracket, so they will give 1 mark. Okay, this is the solution for this problem. We'll move on. Next problem, that is find the value of k only. F of x is equal to kx plus 1 3x minus 5. If x less than or equal to 5, if x greater than 5 is continuous at x is equal to 5. Already I told children, here no need to check the f is continuous or discontinuous. Just you write f is continuous. If f is continuous means what? All values are equal, no? LHL equals RHL equals equal value. Okay, and substitute the value, substitute the functions and substitute the limits and find the value of k. F is continuous at x is equal to 5. F is continuous means what? LHL equals to RHL equals to limit x tends to 5 f of x. Got it? LHL means limit x tends to 5. Limit is 5. 5 minus f of x equals to limit x tends to 5 plus f of x equals to limit x tends to 5 f of x. Substitute the values. Limit x tends to 5 minus what is f of x? Kx plus 1. Limit x tends to 5 plus what is f of x? 3x minus 5. Limit x tends to 5 kx plus 1. Substitute the limits, that is x value is 5 k plus 1 3 into 5 minus 5 is equal to 5k plus 1. See children, 5k plus 1, 5k plus 1 are equal. Just you have to take any one value. That is 5k plus 1 equals to 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. 5k equals to this 10 as it is. Plus 1 substitute, plus 1 transpose to RHS, it becomes minus 1. 5k equals to 10 minus 1 is 9. K equals to 9 by 5. This is your answer. Okay, I think all of you are clear, because same procedure for all problems. Up to here, same procedure. Just and after that, simplification. Okay, this type of problems, so they will ask 4 mark question. 1 mark, one question is for 4 marks compulsory. That is question number 49 B or 50, question number 50 B. But here I mean 49 A question is 6 marks, 49 B question is 4 marks. Here continuity question they will ask. Okay, 49 A question is draft LPP question. Okay, 50 A question is integration question. 50 B question is determinants. Okay, suppose they will give reverse also. 49 is A is integration, 49 B is continuity, 50 is draft, 50 B is determinants. Okay, this is 10 marks, this is 10 marks. For 4 mark question in continuity, one question is 100%. We'll move on. Find the values of A and B. F of x is equal to 5 ax plus b 21 x less than or equal to 2 if 2 less than x less than 10 if x greater than or equal to 10. Dear children, here two limits is there. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 10. Is continuous function is a, they will give in the question, is a continuous function. Here two limits is there. In for all these values is a continuous function. I will write one by one now. F is continuous at x is equal to 2. See, x is equal to LHL is what? 5. X is equal to, I mean less than 2 is, this is LHL. This is x less than 10, but x greater than 2. This is what? RHL. That is LHL equals to RHL equals to limit x tends to 2 f of x. That is limit x tends to 2 minus, so LHL is 5. That is limit x tends to plus, what is RHL? Ax plus b. Clear? And what is equal? 5 only. Limit x tends to 2, 5. Substitute the limit. Limit of constant is constant only. That is, in place of x you have to write what? 2a plus b. Limit of constant is constant. Therefore, 2a plus b equals to 5. This is equation number 1. Now come to here, observe the problem children. This type of problems already discussed previous class. Discuss the continuity of the function like this problem. Now come to f is continuous at x is equal to 10. LHL equals to RHL equals to limits x tends to 10 f of x. Limit x tends to 10 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 10 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 10 f of x. Here less than 10 value is what? Ax plus b. Is it clear? Yes. Limit x tends to 10 minus, what is f of x? Limit x tends to 10 minus ax plus b equals to limit x tends to 10 plus means 21. Limit x tends to 10 plus 21 equals to limit x tends to 10, what is f of x? 21 only. Substitute the value. that is x value is 10. 10a plus b equals to 21 is equal to 21. 10a plus b is equal to 21. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now I have to solve equation 1 and 2 now. I will erase the problem. Equation 1 is 2a plus b equals to 5. 10a plus b equals to 21. These two equations are simultaneous equations. What equations? Simultaneous equations. You have to solve the simultaneous equations. You will get the two variable values. I mean, subtract these equations. Minus bb gets cancelled. 21 minus 5 is 16 minus 16. 10a minus 2a means 8a. So minus cancel. 8 ones are 8 twos are. Therefore a is equal to 2. Now come to this a is equal to 2, substitute in equation number 1. If a is equal to 2, substitute in equation number 1. You will get b value, that is 2a plus b equals to 5. Clear? That is 2 into a value is 2 plus b equals to 5. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus b equals to 5. B is equal to 5. This 4 is transposed to RHS. It becomes minus 4. That is b is equal to 1. Finally, you will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. This is your answer. Okay. I mean, just here don't confuse. Okay. Here f is continuous at x is equal to 2. F is continuous at x is equal to 10. Okay. F is continuous at x is equal to 2 means you have to separately write LHL, RHL and equal. For LHL is 5. For RHL ax plus b. For equal is 5. Substitute the limits and simplify. You get 2a plus b is equal to 5. This is put in the equation number 1. F is continuous at x is equal to 10. LHL is equal to RHL is equal to limit x tends to 10 f of x and substitute LHL functions, RHL functions, equal functions. Okay. And again substitute in the limits. Substitute the limits and simplifying you will get, so 10a plus b is equal to 21. Put in the equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2 is this type of equations is simultaneous equations. Okay. Subtract these two equations and simplifying you will get a is equal to 2. This a value substitute in equation number 1 and simplifying you will get b is equal to 1. Okay. So I mean almost in remaining 2 problems is there in this continuity. Okay. So tomorrow session, I mean next class session, I will discuss differentiation. Okay. Differentiation concept. Okay. So today I am concluding the class. Okay. So and again you have to practice this type of problems in one time and you have to send me through WhatsApp compulsorily within 7 o'clock. Okay. So I am concluding the class. Thank you one and all.